So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can record your PC screen without any software but using an online website. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Clydio.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and go to this option which says video editor and hit get started. Once this page gets open, here you're gonna find this option which says record. Once you go over there, here you can see this option which says screen, or you can even record the screen with the camera. Just simply hit screen and it will ask you, might ask some permission, so all you need to do is to just simply allow it and hit this option, and here it will ask you to multiple options, the window recording or the entire screen recording. Just simply hit entire screen, hit share, and the recording for the screen have been started in this software, in this website. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.